how to send high quality photos or videos on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and now tap on the settings option or the U option on the bottom right of your screen and you will see the option for storage and data. Tap on that and then tap on the upload quality option you see there under media quality, and then go ahead and select the HD quality option you see there, and with this the quality for photos and videos will be sent in HD quality. So this is how you can send high quality photos or videos on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.